Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We gonna fix us a little quick lunch here. Something I really like. Summer sausage, slice of cheese, a tomato, and some crackers. I like Ritz crackers, but you can use any kind of cracker you want. Alright, let's cut us up a piece of the tomato here. Alright, there we go. Now then, cut us up a piece of cheese here. Gotta have cheese. I'm a cheese fan. If I have a sandwich, it has to have cheese. There's my cheese. Get it over here out of the way. Summer sausage. Let's just cut this off right about here. Okay, get that out of the way. See if we can get into it here. Package off of it, just like that. Now we will cut us slices here. Just one, two. I used to take these when I take my car to car shows. Take this and cheese and stuff and be ready to go. That's probably all we're going to do right now. Okay. Let's get the rind off of here. One. Sometimes when I was still at work, before I retired, I used to take this for lunch occasionally. Hard to beat. It's also not fattening either, so out of the way. There's our plate. I think we may start trying it here, okay? Alright, let's get us some crackers out of here. Let's see if I got one open here. Yeah, I think so. No, not open yet, but it'll take us for a second to get that open. There. Get some crackers out here. Right there. Okay. Let's cut this tomato up. So we don't have to pick it up so much, okay? There we go. Here's a piece of sausage here. Cheese. Tomato. Cracker. That's good. This is a fast meal too. It'll take long to get it out. Another bite. Alright, well there it is. Our quick lunch. If you have any suggestions or other things to add to it or other things to do, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll be glad to hear it. Always looking for new ways. Okay? Well, that's it for now. Enjoy your lunch. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and please help support this channel if you can. There's links in the description below. Thank you.